Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. If you're like me and always trying to jazz up your place without breaking the bank, this video is for you. We're going to be taking glass jars that you probably already have and making them look awesome. We're going to be bejeweling and glittering and making these glass jars look new and awesome, making your place look fantastic. As always, you can find the instructions to this project on my blog, Steffi D Creates. But let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. Glass jars. You can take any glass jars, mason jars, pickle jars, whatever you got. Soak the labels off of them until they're nice and clean, and we'll start with that. Mod Podge, a brush, painter's tape, ultra fine glitter, wax paper. For your second vase, you're going to need hot glue gun and a couple bags of these glass beads. You can get them at the dollar store like I did. Take a piece off of your painter's tape and we're gonna mark where we want the glitter to go up to. So I usually do it about halfway. You can do 2/3, you can do stripes, whatever you wanna do, it's totally up to you. I'm just gonna do an even line. Once you have your bottle taped off where you want the glitter to be, I put down some wax paper. Glitter is super messy. Take your Mod Podge and your brush and just do a nice thin layer up to your tape. You can go over your tape, but I try not to, because when you pull your tape off, it might pull some of your glitter off. Give it a good coating. You don't want to paint the bottom, so don't paint that, unless you do. Just make sure your whole area is sufficiently coated. Once it's coated in Mod Podge, we're going to take our glitter and we're going to give it a nice thick coating. Pile all the glitter on there, make sure you're getting every little bit covered. And then once you think you've gone all over it with glitter, go around it again. Don't worry, you will not be wasting this glitter, it's all gonna go back in your bottle. If you happen to miss a couple spots, once you let this dry, you can put Mod Podge back over the spots that you missed and pour glitter back over it again to even it out. Once it's fully coated, just give it a couple love taps, and you're gonna let that sit for about a half an hour and let it dry. It's okay if you still see the white of the Mod Podge, it will dry clear. We're gonna save the rest of our glitter, so open the top of your glitter up, take your wax paper, fold it up, and pour all of that excess glitter back into your bottle. Ta-da! No wasted glitter. Once you've let your glitter dry, you're actually gonna go back over it with another layer of Mod Podge. What this will do is this is gonna seal your glitter in so it won't come off on you. Make sure you're not making it too thick. Once you've let the second layer of Mod Podge dry, you're gonna come back in, peel off your tape, and reveal your beautiful vase. You can do it on any size vase, any bowl, anything that you'd like in any color. It's really up to you. For your second vase, you're gonna take your jars and your beads. You can do them in a pattern, you can do them in all one color. I like to mix it up. I got a mixed bag, so I'm just gonna let it be at random and see what happens. Start at the bottom of your jar and work your way up. So you can do a thin row around the bottom. Press them on there. I'm just letting fate decide what color. When you finish the first row, we're gonna do another row on top and put the new stones in between so it creates an overlaying pattern. Put a little bit of hot glue and put the stones in between. Do this all the way around to top, so just keep going. There you go. Now you have a beautifully decorated vase that will look amazing in your house, made by you. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, find the instructions on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Steffi D Creates. Stay up to date with all of the behind the scenes and upcoming projects, some fun stuff going on there, so make sure that you're following. And thank you again so much for watching. See you next time.